Took the skateboards out today. It was fun. Almost got hit by a car. But she almost got hit by a car. But we about to head to Powerhouse Gym. Best gym in Maui, best gym in Hawaii, best gym in the island, best gym in the world. I don't know yet. I think I do know, but anyways, full body day. We're gonna get after it. And yeah, stay tuned for a full body workout. Powerhouse Gym, you heard me? So right here, guys, we just getting into the gym. We're gonna be starting out with 15 minutes worth of cardio, just a quick warm up, hopping on the bike. Starting off slow, within the last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minutes. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be making some right turns on the dial and toning it up a little bit, turning it up and making it a little bit harder on yourself and really getting a good warm up in. Look at this footage. Shout out to Maui Powerhouse Gym for the lighting and the aesthetics. It's a great cardio room, and can't wait to take some classes there. And we're gonna transition right after that. We're gonna get on this row machine. Really gonna be pulling hard. It's like a deadlift with a back pull at the top. We're doing 3 minutes of these rows and really, again, warming up the full body before we get into this Olympic style lift. Shout out Maui Powerhouse Gym again. Look at the merch. Look at the clothing. It's the best on the island, baby. Yes, sir. And then we heading into my favorite room to start our lift. So, I made it through the warm up. Time to get into the lift. We got a full body Olympic style lift day. And the warm up's no joke. That's part of the workout though. So it's called a warm up, but you're still getting really good work for the full body during the warm up. And now we're about to lift some weight. So here we go, we get right into some deadlifts. The name of the game here is repetition, repetition, repetition. We're not going very heavy on the weight, but look at me, I'm gassed. We're doing good reps, good form, not hurting our back, not over exerting ourselves and putting too much weight on it. Again, it's all about form, squeezing at the top, really working the whole bottom half of our body, our glutes, hamstrings, everything is firing right now. And again, we still early in the workout. So take your time with it and get all those reps. It's about 15 reps, 4 sets, baby. You know how we do it. And then here we go with some hang cleans. Working explosive movements. Again, it's not very heavy. We're going high reps, 4 sets, 15 reps. And feeling every last one of those reps, man. By the 4th set, I'm telling you, you're gonna be done. Just finished up with our Olympic list. Now we're gonna be focusing on specific things. We're gonna be doing some arms, we're gonna be doing some pull-ups. All of these are gonna be 4 sets, Pull-ups are going to be till failure on every set, and the rope pull downs for the triceps are going to be 15, 12, 10, 10, last set failure. So actually 5 sets of tricep extensions. So without further ado, let's keep it moving. Pull-ups, tricep extensions, tricep pull downs, whatever, the rope pull downs. In combination, superset. At the end of all that workout that we've been doing, gassed. So the battery is dying. This is where we gonna cut the video. It's 247 ATP, that's me. We gonna catch y'all in the next video. Stay up, one love, big ups to all y'all. Sticking to the end of the video, getting this full body workout in. I love y'all, appreciate y'all for the support. Big work, Maui Powerhouse Gym. It's official. I'm now part of the squad. So that's enough rambling. One love, big ups. We got all this food for $12, and Panda Express on Hawaii Island is the best Panda Express in the world. Just finished Panda. That's gonna conclude the video. Thank y'all for sticking to the end. We go. Yes, you gotta watch out for those guys. They're gonna bite you in your sleep.